Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna unboxing ALYA's complete skincare bundle. So check it out. So let's check what inside of this complete skincare bundle from ALYA. The box is very nice package, and then there is a quote say, "I will stop buying skincare, but I'm not a quitter. ALYA Skin. If you buy a bundle, 20% cheaper." So I bought a week ago, and then I got it yesterday. Actually, I heard this product already long time ago, because I still using other products, so that's why I'm wait till my product finish, and then I bought this ALYA skincare because I heard that, a lot of positive review about this product, so that's why I bought it. So what is inside of the box is you got foaming micellar cleanser and from micellar cleanser, and then you got the facial scrub. So this scrub using pomegranate seed powder to deeply exfoliate your skin. So this good for all type of skin. And then you got the Australian pink clay mask, okay, the famous pink clay from ALYA Skin. It's very soft and nice smell. So this is the product you got, and then the moisturizer. This moisturizer is from Australian native berries moisturizer with macadamia oil to hydrate, restore and replenish your skin, and also for all skin types. So this one you got, and then a towel, face towel. Okay, so the box is very nice when they send it. So guys, I'm gonna try this product, and then let's see what happened. Okay, so yes, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share if you like my video, and yeah, tell your friend, your family to subscribe my YouTube video. Thank you, bye, have a lovely day.